Hey guys, Tim Stewart here at Sunset Ford, talking to you today about the SCA trucks that we have in stock here. We're inside of a Black Widow F-150. Just wanted to kind of go over a couple of the unique features on this truck here. Starting with, they did a custom interior on it. All the little trim pieces have been painted a high gloss black finish, gives it a nice sporty look in here. Additionally, they've put a custom leather interior in here with the red diamond stitching. So you've got a custom leather. This is an XLT truck, so it's standard with cloth interior, but it does have the leather upgrade in it. You've got the heated front seats as well, so that kind of gives you the nice comfort in the wintertime here for those St. Louis winters. This is built on a 302A package, so it's got all the important stuff on it. It's got the Sync 3 system, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the navigation system, backup camera, all the important stuff there, but they've definitely dressed it up quite a bit. In here on the speedometer and the gauge cluster, you've got a custom Black Widow SCA odometer package on here, so it's got the SCA logo on the RPM gauge, and then on the speedometer itself, it's got the Black Widow logo as well, both of which with that big black spider on there. It's a custom look. These are all calibrated too, so you don't have to worry about, oh, the speedometer's off because it's a lifted truck. It's calibrated it's to make sure that it's accurate, but it also gives you a very sharp look on there as well. You've got all the painting, the black gloss painting along the trim as well. Kind of talked about that. In the headrest, you've got that Black Widow logo as well. So it says it's got the Black Widow and it's got the black spider with the red stitching and the red trim on it. Come see us here at Sunset Ford, 467-1124. Ask for Tim Stewart and we'll get you into the custom truck of your choice. Thanks and have a great day.